it go?
Red.
Down here. He's just looking at you, huh?
Orange. Green. Green again. And then blue.
That's right.
The computer mousey. It's going away. Hey, Harry. I'm doing it in the ducky.
Yeah.
Number 10.
9.
Ugh.
What are you doing? Why are you doing stuff you know's wrong?
Maybe I'm not good at this game. Let's try a different game.